Threads just dropped a spoiler text feature to save your binge watching. No more movie or show spoilers. Click to reveal. Want the scoop? Keep watching. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for tech and social media news. Let's dive into Threads spoiler text update. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg announced on June 18, 2025 that Threads is testing a spoiler text feature. Spoiler text grays out words or images in posts, only revealing them when you click. It's perfect for chatting about movies, TV shows, or books without ruining the fun for others. This feature, inspired by platforms like Discord or Reddit, lets you discuss plot twists safely. Meta says shows like The Last of Us and The White Lotus trend big on Threads, and spoiler text will spark even more pop culture buzz without the worry of spoiling. Spoiler text isn't just for plot twists, it can blur out text or images that might be off-putting but not against the rules, making Threads a kinder space. To use it, highlight text or images before posting, hit mark spoiler, and you're set. It's super easy. Threads is becoming the spot for entertainment fans, and this feature makes it a more thoughtful platform. Ex-users are hyped, saying it's a must-have for fandoms. By boosting pop culture chat safely, Threads is carving out a unique vibe in social media. Still in testing, the spoiler text feature's full launch date is TBD, but it's already a hit. Expect Threads to roll out more tools to keep conversations lively and respectful. This is just the start for Meta's social media gem. Will you use Threads spoiler text for your next show binge? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech updates.